Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Flip 7 FE, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top right side of the screen, and then in here swipe down again to extend the list of visible toggles. Somewhere here we should have our Do Not Disturb mode. For me it is right over here. Once you see it on your end, hold this toggle and then click on Details, and this will quickly take you to the settings. I recommend going here at least once at the beginning just so you can see how it is set by default and changing the options that don't fit your requirements. Once you've done so, you can close this up and you don't ever have to go back there again. And then whenever you want to enable your Do Not Disturb mode, just find the toggle and simply tap on it. It might bring up this window letting you choose if you want to enable it basically until you turn it off yourself for a specific amount of hours or until specific time. So I personally like to select it on a timer, make it something like 4 hours, and then when I select turn on, after 4 hours when you forget about it, it will turn itself off. But at that time I do have it set like this, so hopefully it covers whatever need I had for it. And just to check this quickly, if I do this, okay, so it brings up this window every time, so you can choose from one of those options every single time. Now, in any case, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.